Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll fix all common Windows Media Player errors. So if you're having that issue where the WMP is not opening to media not playing, codec issues and library problems, let's just dive right in the order to fix it step by step. So hit Windows plus I, and then you can access your settings of your device. From there, you can go over to System from your left-hand side sidebar and open it up. Once you open up System, you can go ahead and find the option for Troubleshoot. And once you find it up, go ahead and click on it and open it up. From here, go ahead and find the option for Additional Troubleshooters. This one right here are the troubleshooters, and open it up. Once you find Additional Troubleshooters, once you open it up, you can go ahead and look out for Windows Media Player, this one right here, and go ahead and click on Run. After that, run the troubleshooter and follow the prompts in order to fix the issue. That should automatically fix many common WMP errors. Apart from that, make sure your media file is supported by WMP, which is such as MP3, MP4, etc. If not, you can just go ahead and convert your file to a compatible format and do so. Or what you can do is you can re-register your Windows Media Player components. Hit Windows plus R for that. And open up the run command on your screen. And here type in cmd as written and click on OK or hit enter, and it should open it up. Now here, just go ahead and type in these commands available. We'll also leave it in the description, which are these right here. So you can just go ahead and copy it, hit to Windows cmd command prompt, hit enter and paste it. After that, just go ahead and do it one by one so that you won't be getting this error. You can just go ahead and do it one by one in your Windows administrator. Instead of this, type in cmd and run it as administrator. And once you do so, click on yes and give access. And there you can just go ahead and paste the commands and it will succeed and you will be getting these confirmation message on your screen. You can close this up. After that, you can just go ahead and restart your Windows Media Player. That should also fix the issue. Apart from that, what we can do is we can go ahead and rebuild the WMP library. So hit Windows plus R, and once you're right here, you can just go ahead and type in local app data under percentage. So type in local app data in percentage and hit OK, enter. And here you will be finding your files. Go ahead and look out for Microsoft here and open it up. Under Microsoft, you can just go ahead and look out for Media Player if there is option of Media Player available here. This one right here, and go ahead and hit enter. And from Media Player, you can just go ahead and delete the files available with .wmb here. So find it up, and if there is any kind of file available for WMB, you can just go ahead and clear it up. You can select it up and click on the delete option right here and confirm it, and the library error should be gone. And apart from that, what we can do is we can just go ahead and run a SFC scan. We can go ahead and look out for Windows plus R and type in cmd. Hit enter. And once you hit enter, just go ahead and type in SFC space / scan now and hit enter, and that will do it. And that's it. You can follow up this method by running the troubleshooter and following up this method. You can fix almost all the Windows Media Player errors. So if this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment below with the errors you had. Thank you for watching, and we'll be seeing you in another video.